I wanted to do a quick little video on the Meguiar's Gold Class Luxury Matte Finish Non-Stick and see how it is. Directions are really easy. Shake well, apply to the surface that is cool to the touch and has been thoroughly cleaned with an appropriate cleaner. When overspray is not a concern, spray it directly onto the surface and proceed to level the product with a soft brush or microfiber towel. I am going to prepare these two mats. I've already done the left one. I'm going to use some Built Hamber Surfex HD for my all-purpose cleaner, a drill brush there, and then blast it off with a power washer. Good, you just put it right there. Thank you. You too. Alright, I've got these rinsed off. I'll pick them up and shake them off and let them dry, and we will come back and apply the luxury matte. Okay, I'm going to try out the luxury matte here. On the right hand side, I've already put it on and applied it. You can kind of compare the look. It's not dramatically different. These WeatherTech floor mats are in pretty good shape despite being old. So let's put this on and see. I'm going to let it dwell for a minute, try to get it even, and then I'm going to level it out. And I think that's the big benefit here, or the big tip. I leveled the right one pretty well and quite a bit, and it's really not slick at all. There's zero slickness. And that's the first product I've used like this that there was zero slickness. So overall, the Meguiar's Gold Class Luxury Matte, I think this is a buy, and I'm a fan of it. It does what it says. It makes it look new and restored, and offers no slickness. So I'm a fan. Pick this one up. I'll have a link to it on Amazon below.